Welcome to asynchronous. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn how to use callbacks to handle asynchronous operation in a JavaScript. Callbacks are most often used with the asynchronous functions. Functions running in parallel with other functions are called asynchronous. A good example is JavaScript's setTimeout function. Callback is a function passed as an argument to another function. This technique allows a function to call another function. A callback function can run after another function has finished. We're going to use set timeout. Set timeout waits for a certain number of milliseconds, which we specify ourselves, and then it calls whatever function we pass it. So first we are going to define a function to do it. Type function, do it. And first argument we pass to set time the function that will be called after a certain number of milliseconds. So we are going to have set timeout. And here we are going to pass in a function. We're just going to log it console, some message here. Hello. So this function will be called after a certain number of milliseconds, and the second argument we pass to set timeout the number of milliseconds we want JavaScript to wait before executing this function. So I'm just gonna set 3 seconds. And now we can call our function. Do it with parentheses. And we just need to run our code. The T is uppercase over here. Set time. And we can see it waits for 3 seconds and then print the hello message. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Asynchronous, like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.